how to edit and change your views on smoking on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and after that just click these 3 points and click edit profile, then scroll down and click beliefs. And once you're here, just scroll down again until you find views on smoking, and here we'll find here we can change it. Just select anything you want here and then save it. It's easy. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.